Hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Prasanna Pattankar. Uh, I work as a technology specialist uh, from 3 years. Today, I'm going to take a webinar on the topic called Microsoft Office 365. Um, so, when we talk about the Microsoft Office 365, what comes in your mind? So, first thing comes in your mind is what exactly Microsoft Office 365 and what is the difference between Microsoft Office 365 and the normal Microsoft Office packages. Normal Office Microsoft Office packages in the sense Microsoft Office Word, Microsoft Office PowerPoint, Microsoft Office Excel. So what is the difference between that and this? So normal Office is not a cloud storage, but Microsoft Office 365 is a cloud platform. That's the main difference between the Microsoft Office packages and Microsoft Office 365. So we'll see today what exactly comes under the Microsoft Office 365 and what are the benefits of using Microsoft Office 365. Not only one benefit, and what are the apps which we are using which are using within the Microsoft Office 365. So we'll discuss one by one in a particular manner. So we'll see the next slide. Oh, as I was talking about what is exactly meant by Office 365. Office 365 is a subscription-based online version of the Office platform that pays web-based Office applications with cloud storage. So it's a web-based application. We'll be using it's a online. Okay, what exactly meant by cloud storage? When we talk about the cloud storage, we need to understand what is a cloud. And so what is a cloud means? Uh, think that we want to send a one file that is that we need to attach into our mail, and from mail we need to send it to others. So if it's like a normal one image file that is a less than 10 MB or 5 MB means we can directly attach it and we can send it. So that's not a problem, then we can send it. Think that if we want to do some webinar or seminar in a one particular organization, we are moving from one place to another place and we are going and we are doing a one webinar. Sorry, not webinar, it's a seminar. So we are going and doing it. We might be doing some presentation and we are carrying it in a pen drive or there is in a laptop. So when you go to the particular destination, mean particular organization, when we insert the pen drive, think that it might be crash it. So it's crash it means how can we do the web seminar in that particular organization, because our already the file we have stored in the hard disk is deleted or crashed it. So instead of using that, we can save it in our Google Drive, otherwise we can save it in our Outlook drives. We can save that. So if we are saving in Outlook drive means we can fetch directly by using, even we can log into our credentials. By using our credentials we can log into our Outlook account and we can download it from Drop, otherwise from OneDrive. We can save it in our OneDrive and we can download it from our OneDrive and we can do our presentation. So that is a cloud platform. If you are storing something in a cloud area, that will call as a cloud storage. So Office 365 is also a cloud storage. So we can store whatever we are doing in Office 365, it will get stored into the cloud. So that will call as a office storage. So there is a difference between the normal office packages and the Office 365. So Office when and where you need it. So where exactly you need Office 365 and when you need it. So we'll see that tools for teamwork. So we can use Office 365 as a this we can use it as a tool for teamwork. So we can for teamwork also we can use the Office 365. We can easily set up and even management purpose also. It's a very useful and it is very easy to set up also. That's the reason also we can use it Office 365. Just a minute, I will minimize it and I will show how to use also. So uh, what are the apps available in Office 365? So first thing is OneDrive for Business, OneNote, Skype for Business, Yammer, Sway, OfficeMix. So we will see one by one what is a OneDrive, what is a OneNote, Skype for Business, Yammer, Sway, OfficeMix. We'll see all those things one by one. What is a OneDrive? So OneDrive is a, as I was already talking about a cloud storage. This is a cloud storage platform where we can save all the files. As I already told, like if you want to send a one file which is having a more than 25 MB file, if you want to attach it directly to your mail ID, we cannot attach it. So that's the reason we need to make a we need to store it in a cloud like a OneDrive file. We have to log into our Outlook account. Within that, we'll be having an option called OneDrive. So we need to select that and we need to create a folder. Otherwise, directly the files, whichever the files we have, we can directly select it and we can directly add it. So after adding that, we can even share our links, or whichever the links we are using, we can share it and we can send it to others, to whomever we want to mail it. We can directly send a mail. Otherwise we can directly invite a link. There are two kinds of option. One is like a by sending a mail, and another option is like by get a link. One link will come. That link we need to copy to our mail ID, and to whomever we want to send it, we can send it directly by using that link. That but that both the options we can do it. So but thing is, if it's more than 25 MB, then only creating a OneDrive link, that's a better for creating a OneDrive link. If it's less than 25 MB, then we can directly attach into our mail only. So then there is no need of creating a OneDrive. But it depends upon the person, those who are using for the business or for the individuals. Depend upon the person, they can use it and they can log in it and they can use it. So we will see practically how it works. I will use the Internet Explorer or some other browsers to show that. I will log into my Outlook account and I will show you practically how it works and how to create a OneDrive files. We'll see now. Just a minute, I'm minimizing the things. So I will go to the so I'm going to the Outlook. Just I will log into my Outlook account. Just I'm going and entering the URL as a outlook.com. Just I will click enter. After typing a outlook.com, just I will enter. When I click on a outlook.com, it will ask for the username and password. It's some other ID which is already used. So I want to show it from the beginning. So just I will log out this present Outlook, whichever it's logged in. Just I will click on my account to sign out from this account. Just wait for a minute. Just I'm signing out and sign out, and I will log into my particular account so that it will be very easy to show you. Just I will clicking on a sign out. So just I will click on outlook.com. When I click on the outlook.com, so it will ask like a first email ID it will ask. So just I will enter my email ID, that is a prasanna.pattankar@outlook.com. After entering email ID, just we need to click on next. When you click on the next, it will ask for the password. So I will enter my password now. After entering the password, just click on a sign in option. When you sign in, it's like my Outlook email account, it is open. Just now click on that grid. You'll be having a many options. Within that we have to go to the OneDrive. Just I'm clicking on a OneDrive now. Once you click on the OneDrive, it opens in a new window. It's a loading. Wait for a minute. Yeah, it's opening now. As I already said, if it's more than 25 MB, 30 MB, or if you are using for business purpose, then only we need to use a OneDrive link. It's like a 1 GB file, 2 GB file. If you want to make, then it is a very useful to share the link. And storage purpose also, it's a very good and it's a very useful for that purposes. Already I created many folders, so we can see here like a many folders like a document or Raspberry Pi, which I have already created. If I want to create a new one, so I will click on a new one. If you want to create, if already you have a folder, if you want to create that, you have to click on upload. Otherwise just click on a new. In the new, we'll be having a many options again. Just I'm clicking on new. So new, within the new we can create a new folder, Word document we can, and even Excel workbook, PowerPoint presentation also we can do, and one notebook, and plain text document also we can do. So just I will click a new folder now. So it will ask for the name of the folder. So just I will write the name of the folder. Just I want to show it here as a sample file, so I will make it as a sample name of the folder, and I will click on a create. So my sample is created, and so just I will click on my sample which is already created. So just I'm opening. See, just now only I have created, so there is no data inside the sample. So I want to upload some data. So just click on the upload. It will ask for the destination file. Just choose the file, whichever the file you want to upload. It might be Word file, it might be Excel file, it might be image, it may be some burned files, whichever. So just I will select the files whichever present in my phone, whichever the present in my computer, that's in my laptop. I'm selecting a one file. So just click on open. So when you click on open, directly it will upload into our OneDrive. So just I'm clicked on open. So it's showing uploading one item. It's already uploaded a one item to sample. So my folder is a sample. Here I have uploaded a one file. So after uploading, we can click on that and we can share also. As I already said, we can if when you click on the share, it will be like a, just click on share. It will be like a two options, one is a get link and one more is a email. If you click on a get link, it will get a one link that we can copy and we can share it to others. I want to send to some 25-30 members, we can share that link. They can open directly that link. Otherwise we can send by email also, and we can download also, and even we can delete and even we can move to another folders, from sample folder to another folders. We might be having some other folders, so we want to move the data, means we can send it. And we have a one more option, copy in the sense it will be there in sample also, and it will be there whichever the file we are moving and copying, so in that folder also it will be there. But move option is like cut and paste. So when you move from here to another folder, in sample it will be like mode. So just now I have deleted this thing. I showed you how to delete it by clicking on that. So we'll see what are the benefits of Office 365. It's easy collaborations. There is a project and team with the sites easily stored. And as I was talking as I was talking about easy collaboration, project and team sites easily created, share the documents and control access. We can easily share the documents within the team and outside the team. So it is very easy for collaboration purposes. Document fidelity. It will be like a consistency between the local and a web accesses. We can make the document. So it's a very easy for accessing in a local machines or in a web-based access. We can even browse the things in a web and we can make the document, or in the local systems also we can browse it and we can make it. That is a document fidelity. Familiar tools. So it is a very easy to use the tool, so that is it's a familiar tools. Accessibility, anytime anywhere access, so we can access from anywhere anytime we can access it. So it will be very useful anywhere we can access it. um, as I said, like I think that we are going to present somewhere in some organization or a project presentation. That time we can access by using internet. It's a cloud platform. We can use our URLs and we can enter it and we can access from anywhere, from any from anywhere anytime we can access it. So any device supports all the devices, like it will be supporting a mobile devices, laptops, desktop. So all the devices, anytime it will supports. So that's the thing, we can use it anywhere anytime it will supports. So these are all like the main advantages or benefits of a Office 365. So we'll see what is OneNote. So why should we have to use a OneNote? We will see all those things in a OneNote now. So OneNote is just like a whatever we are using it presently, like a notepad and wordpad. So it's the same thing, but within this we have some extended versions what we are not using in a wordpad and in a notepad. So there are some advantages and applications which are added in a OneNote. So we'll see one by one what extra things we have added in a OneNote. Can we use OneNote can be used for writing, reading, and even not only writing and reading, even for arithmetic operations. Also, we can use a OneNote. It visually represents your ideas. It visually represents your ideas. Not only that, even for drawing and so and coloring purpose also, we can use a OneNote. And even not only that, if we want to make some tables and all, we can make it use of a OneNote and we can draw tables. And not only tables, even we can do a list also by using a OneNote. As we are writing in a paper, whatever the things we want, we can write in a paper like that. Even we can write it in a OneNote. That's like a feel like writing on a paper. So whatever we are writing in a paper, it will be like displaying in a our display in a OneNote. And text from images in the sense whatever the present within the images, some quotes will be there or something descriptions will be there regarding the images that we can read by using a OneNote. The text files whatever present in the images we can read by using a OneNote. So as I already said, like arithmetic equations, we can even do mathematical equations also in a OneNote. Mathematical equations will be used for mathematics teachers. If you want to add like a plus b whole square equal to watts, so like adding a mathematical equations we can use it. Not only that, even a web clips directly we can access the internet and we can add some clippings of web. And not only that, even hyperlinks of us from other websites like a link documents we can add it. And collaborations, as I already explained, collaboration in the sense for sharing the document. And it is a very easy accessible within the team members or outside the team members, that will be used. Available anywhere across any device. We can use it anywhere, anytime, in any devices that we can use it. So we'll see practically how it works. Just I used already my Outlook account, so just I will click on a grid. So we'll be having option called OneNote. Just click on a OneNote. When you click on a OneNote, it will ask for the credentials, but as I already used my credentials in outlook.com, so it will not ask for the credentials. So it's already loaded. I have a just I'm clicking on a new. Just I will close this. It will ask for like a it will ask like a mobile number to send a link. Just but I'm closing here. I'm not adding in my mobile number. Just wait for a minute. I will close this and just wait for a minute. Just I will just I click it somewhere else, so it's opening. We need to click on a new one, and it will ask for a create a new workbook. So it will ask for the name of the workbook. So just I will mention like a some sample. I want to show some sample data here, so that's why I will mention sample and click on a create. So it's creating a new notebook. It's a cloud storage, so it takes a time to load it and create a new notebook. So if you are using directly one notebook, so you need to go to onenotebook.com. That time it will ask for the credentials like a sign in option. That time you have to give your Outlook account credentials, username and password. Then it will click. Otherwise, if you are using outlook.com, then it will be as I showed you. You can use it. Just I will close this. It will ask for the name of the sample. Within that, I want to create some pages. So this is the first pages I will do it. So just I will give the name of the file. I will use like some employee here. I will show some random employees how to add it. So I will make it as a employee 1. Just enter it after adding the page name. So just I will give the description about the employee 1. It's like a first employee joining the company. Just we will enter some data regarding the employee as like a name, email ID and phone number of the employee. We can give some random data here like ABCD and some email ID, some randomly I will select like ABCD at outlook.com. Whatever the name you want, you can give it, and some phone number also randomly I will give, because as I'm showing a sample data here, so I will add randomly. So I will show you how to add. We have to go to the home page. Within that we will be having options called bold, italic, underline, and these might be already seen these options in a WordPad. So I will show you how to add some other options within the tag. There will be some other options like important questions. Within the questions we can make it some questions like yesterday only we have seen a match like India versus England. Within that, who has scored a century? Within that we'll give options answers like multiple answers like Yuvraj, Dhoni, some other names also we can give it. It's useful for creating a how to add a questions within this. And when we have options like remind me later, definition, if you want to make some definitions we can make it highlight. If you want to make some points highlight, then we can use and contact. So just contact also we can use it. If we are using a phone number, then we can use it a contact. And I'm going to tag address. We can use address also. As my pointer is in a phone only, so it's showing in a point only. That's in a phone only. Once again I will go to the tag. So I will select address. So just click on address. I will write some random addresses here, like a home number, some random home number addresses. Not after home number, some room number I will write. As I am from Bangalore, I will mention it as a Bangalore. That is the location. And I will write my pin code. That is 24. So it will automatically saves. So if you want to add a more pages, then we have to click on a page and we need to give a name of the page. I will give like a employee 2. Not only that, we can give a more employees also, more pages also we can create. Just we have to click on page. So it will ask for page name. We have to give the page name. I have created like a untitled page, like a 2 pages extra. Employee 1, employee 2, employee 3, employee 4. Like that we have to create a files. So within the insert we have options. Again we have sub options within the insert. Just I will click on insert. We can add a tables also, we can add a pictures also, online pictures also we can add directly. So if you want to add a table, just click on table. It's like a three columns and 1 row. Just I'm adding some name. It's like a header, name, employee ID, and I will add a age. I had only done only 1 row, so that's why you cannot enter the data. Just click on a again insert and table. Within that you have to select more columns. Then we can add it 4 by 5 or 8 by 7 table. Like that we can select it and we can add the data also within that particular column and header. Okay. And even we can add a pictures, online pictures also we can add. Even we can attach the files also. And even we can, as I said, like pictures we can add it. Attachments also. Just we need to click on a file attachment, and we can add a hyperlinks also, and simple mathematical equations. If we want to add, we have to go to a symbol and we can add it. Just I will go and click on file. So there will be like a print, we can do it, and we can share it. As I already said, in a OneDrive link we can share by using a get link, otherwise by using a email. That we can share the OneNote. However we have done, we can print directly by connecting a printer to it. That's all about OneNote.